If you mix extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice and take it on an empty stomach, you won't forget about this recipe. What happens to your body if you take olive oil mixed with lemon juice? Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy vegetable oil that's full of good compounds like monounsaturated fatty acids and polyphenols, as well as many nutrients and vitamins. Lemon is one of the most acidic fruits, and it's also full of vitamins and compounds that are good for the body. When you mix olive oil with lemon juice, you get a lot of health benefits that we'll talk about in this video. Olive oil contains polyphenols and lemon juice contains vitamin C, so this mixture contains a high percentage of bioactive antioxidants, which makes it a good medicine for those suffering from inflammatory diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Second, it strengthens memory, helps increase concentration, and prevents Alzheimer's disease. Thanks to the high content of powerful antioxidants in this mixture, it fights harmful free radicals responsible for the symptoms of aging, as these harmful free radicals are always in an unstable state and constantly work to withdraw a single electron from the healthy cells in the body. Until they reach a stable state, the body cells that lose electrons turn into an unstable state, which is known as oxidation of cells, which results in various diseases. Here lies the importance of high concentrations of antioxidants present in this mixture that work to fight these harmful free radicals by donating an electron to them without making themselves unstable, which causes free radicals to stabilize and become less harmful to the body cells. Number 1. Lemon and olive oil both have a lot of potassium and magnesium in them, which are good for the brain and nerves. Number 2. Fight sadness and stress and make it easier to concentrate. Number 3. Keep your epidermis and hair healthy. Lemon juice makes your body make more collagen, which gets rid of dark circles under your eyes and acne pimples and blackheads. It also helps the skin's elasticity and stops wrinkles from forming, which makes the skin look younger and healthier. It strengthens the hair and makes it shinier because the potassium citrate in lemon removes dandruff, and the olive oil moisturizes the scalp, making the hair healthier and shinier. Number 4. It helps get the blood moving and makes the circulatory system work better. Olive oil has a lot of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants like oleic acid and polyphenols, which help lower bad cholesterol, avoid strokes, and lower heart disease risk factors. Lemons also have vitamin B2, also called riboflavin, which is important for making red blood cells and antibodies. It also helps keep blood pressure in check. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, citric acid, magnesium, calcium, pectin, bioflavonoids, and laminin, all of which boost the immune system and make it very effective against some germs and viruses, as well as colds and flu. Also, when this acidic mixture is broken down, alkaline byproducts are made that help clean the body and get rid of added toxins. Number 6. It contributes to improving the performance of the liver and its functions and making it healthier, as this mixture works to protect the liver from infection with hepatitis, a disease, by eliminating the virus that causes it and limiting its spread to healthy cells in the body. Number 7. Maintains the integrity of blood vessels, bones, and teeth thanks to lemon, which contains a high percentage of ascorbic acid known as vitamin C. Deficiency in the body leads to various diseases, the most important of which is scurvy, which is a weakness in the capillaries that makes one vulnerable to wounds easily. Its deficiency also leads to mouth ulcers and bleeding gum constantly, as well as helping to remove uric acid from joints, which is one of the main causes of arthritis. Number 8. This mixture contributes to weight loss, as the oleic acid present in olive oil stimulates the increase in the production of the peptide hormone, which is an appetite-regulating hormone that enhances the feeling of satiety, thus leading to eating fewer meals. Number 9. It can help break up kidney stones. Lemons have a lot of potassium citrate, which helps break up the stones. Olive oil then moves the pieces of the stones from the kidneys to the bladder, where they can be easily passed through the urinary pathways. And number 10, if you're a man or woman who works hard all day, or you want to give your body more energy to do different things, you can use this mixture. It's a great tonic for the body that fights lethargy and fatigue and gives the body the most vitality and energy. Many studies have shown that a diet high in olive oil and lemon keeps your blood vessels strong and your body flowing. Ingredient and steps. To make this mixture, you need extra virgin olive oil packed from the start in a bottle that doesn't let light through. This is because when olive oil is exposed to light, it goes through a process called photooxidation, which lowers its nutritional value. You also need fresh lemons from a reliable source. You only need to mix a teaspoon of olive oil with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Drink it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before breakfast. After a few days, you'll feel better, be leaner, and have more energy. This mixture must be mixed and taken right away. It shouldn't be left for a long time so that the ingredients don't react chemically and lose their nutritional value. However, if you want to make a mixture with these ingredients and leave it for a long time, more than a month, you can add a little honey. That's all we have for you today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know what you think in the comments section. If you're just starting to follow us, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.